Hello, Lewisville, Texas. My name is Joe. I run AmericanRoofSupplements.com. I maximize roofing claims for roofers all over America. I have some guys that are in the Fort Worth, Dallas, North, South. I got guys all over Dallas, Fort Worth area. And what we're doing is we're trying to help them get more customers such as yourself, so that they don't really have to knock so much, Nobody really wants anybody knocking on their door. So if you come across this video and you think you might have some wind and hail damage, I know y'all got hit last year. I know that y'all got hit a little bit further northeast already this year, and I'm sure you'll keep getting clobbered, over the next year, 2, 3, 4. Go ahead and click the link in the description. Watch the video, fill out the form, and then myself or one of my guys will call you and we'll get you set up on a free roof inspection. We're looking for wind and hail. We'll take you through the insurance process, get you a new roof through the insurance. So go ahead, click the link, and we'll talk to you soon. Thank you so much for checking me out. Have a great day.